Have you ever ordered Taco Bell and got a cheesy bean and rice burrito and no sauce? Who wants that? I'm gonna show you how to do it with leftovers, cheaper and better. Nothing's better than homemade, especially with leftovers. So here we have a can of refried beans that I had in the pantry, and we're gonna add some Julio's all-purpose Mexican seasoning, and we're gonna add some homemade pico de gallo, which has been in the fridge. I'm gonna put this on a medium-low, like a tea. Canned refried beans are already cooked. We're basically just getting them soft again. I have leftover shredded cheese, which I've got more. I need it. This is a cheesy bean and rice burrito, right? That's leftover fajita meat. I don't know, they might throw that in there. These are some tortillas that I previously cooked, and I'm gonna pop those in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And you're gonna grab yourself a tortilla and spread some beans on it. I'm really good at overstuffing, y'all, so, you know, no judgments on that, okay? Here's your beans, here's your rice. My husband went to Pancho's, don't forget the cheese, with his sister, and he was so disappointed. So I was like, well, let's make our own fajitas. So that's why we have all these leftovers. And let's just go ahead and put salsa in there. This is Julio salsa. Now let's see if I didn't overstuff this one. Yes, I did. Okay, skillet's nice and warm. Just put it down, steam down. They don't do this at Taco Bell, by the way. You just get the tortilla with stuff in it. I do this because this is the way I like it. We're gonna lose some of our stuffing because, like I said, I always overstuff. I did say bean and cheese burrito, right? We don't want to burn it. Paper towel here. Put it over here. Put that little fella over there. You know, that grease that came off of there. I promise you one thing, if nothing else. Taco Bell does not overstuff their bean and cheese burritos. Let's eat this piece right here. Yeah, good. Find something to put this on. Let it get to room temperature. Easy peasy. Done. Bean and cheese burrito. Let's put some chicken in the next one. Let's pull out a tortilla. And I only do this so they're a little bit more pliable. They've been in the fridge so they can get hard, and then they're hard to bend around. Beans, let's not overstuff this one if we can. Help it, maybe. Or maybe not. Oh, I forgot I was gonna add some fajita chicken meat to this one. I'm gonna turn this down before I burn this oil to a 2. You know, and rice. And cheese. That's okay, I got more. And salsa. And yes, I overstuffed again. I'm really good at that. No need here for any little sauce packets. We got the pico de gallo and the refried beans. And we got the salsa. We got it going on. Except for the fact that I overstuffed everything. I think my neighbor Lisa's gonna like these. I'm gonna eat one, but she's getting the rest because it's just me. Bobby's out of town working. Yummy. While these are still slightly warm, I've got aluminum foil. No, I don't have the paper wraps they have. We're gonna roll them up. Anyway, save yourself the disappointment of ordering from Taco Bell or wherever and make your own. It's cheaper, it's way yummier, and it's way better. I promise. Please like and subscribe. And all the ingredients are leftovers, so there probably won't be any in the description. I'll take this to my neighbor. Her and her son will love them. God bless you. Have a good night, and we hope to see you again soon.